right, we're live. Monday night lights. That's what I should have called this. Monday night live. Monday night lights. Monday night with Coach Burt. Hope you guys are doing great. Just got all the kids, the little units in the bed. It's been a long day today, folks. How many of you had a long day today? Mondays are always long days. Back in the office after incredible trip to Florida last week. I was gone for 8 days. And so getting back in the swing of things tonight, and just came over to shut my office down. And while I was shutting my office down, I saw my computer and the light's still on from today's Zooms. I already took my contacts out, so it's raw and real. And I just wanted to come on for just a few minutes. And I had a thought this weekend. And the thought was, number one, thank you to all the people who bought the book Flip the Switch. Man, activating that prey drive, man. It's getting around the world, folks. Amazon sold out. They will get the book to you if you purchase it at Amazon and Barnes & Nobles. But that thanks to you guys, man. You just overloaded the system. So that's incredible, number one. But don't quit buying it. Let me give you another reason to buy it tonight. Because I'm trying to show you how to stack and bundle and make an offer. I had a vision this weekend. I thought, how do I tie? I want you thinking about you. How do you tie two of your passions together to create an offer for people that would be beneficial to everyone? It would be the ultimate win-win-win, Daniel Hodges. Thank you, Tristan. And I thought, you know what? Passion of mine, helping people activate their prey drive. Number one, flip that switch. Passion number two, helping kids. I've had it on my heart to help students for many years. Now we're doing that with Success School, which is weekly coaching around habits of top performers, grit, resilience, remarkable boldness, lock-in, connection, talents. And I thought, bingo, that's it. It actually hit me the other night. I didn't write it down. It's my fault. And so I came back and I told my team today, you know what, this week only, for every person that buys a book, Flip the Switch at Amazon or Barnes & Nobles or Books A Million, and they can send us to support at coachburt.com a snapshot of them buying the book. We're going to scholarship one student through our Success School. Okay, so if you got kids that want to go through this, Greg Gilbert, please, that's right, leave a review on Amazon. Thank you for all the great reviews, by the way. This is my best book, man. If you don't like the book, then it's because you just don't like me, okay? Because this is the book that has the most breadth and depth. But what I want to show you tonight is there is a way to create a win-win-win. And if you go into it with a mindset of thinking this, Covey always taught win-win is a mindset. It's not always an outcome because two people have to participate in this. Well, I think about win-win-win, which is ultimate synergy. You win because you get the book. The child wins because because they're going to go through our Success School. And number three, we win because it moves units of the book. Now, also, I'm giving 8 weeks of coaching that starts this Wednesday, folks. That means this Wednesday, 8 weeks of a book club, not your mama's book club. I could show you book after book after book here on my bookshelf. Never before has an author said, you know what, when you buy my book for $26, I'm going to give you 8 weeks of me breaking the book down. Never. Not one book I've ever purchased has done that. So this is why I'm doing it, man. I'm trying to be different. Walt Disney wanted it to be different. Christopher, he wanted to be magical. He wanted to be, what did he want it to be? He wanted to be different. He wanted to be better. He wanted to be magical. When I wrote this book, I said, man, I want it to be different. I want it to be better. I want it to be magical. What can I do that's unique? Well, we can scholarship a kid through Success School, number one. And if you got a kid, the more books you buy, the more kids you can scholarship. If you got 15 kids, you want a scholarship, buy 15 books and just let us know that you bought 15 books. But this is our way of a win-win-win. You win because you get the coaching with me plus the book. And if you don't get the book in time for the book club to start this week, it's okay. Just let us know you got the book. We'll send you the manuscript. Okay? Then the child wins because they get access to coaching they really need. And number three, we win because we move units of the book and we help people. And that's what we're in the business of doing, folks. Okay? So every day I want you to wake up and I want you to ask yourself this question. Thank you, Tristan. Dustin, thank you. Go to Amazon and give me a review, Dustin, wherever you got the book, okay? Greg Gilbert, thank you. I want you to ask yourself this question. And this is really the big lesson tonight. You have a product or service that you know is valuable. You put your heart and soul into it, man. You spent your whole life preparing for it. It helps other people. How do you get that that message out to the world. See, the big lesson I took away from being in Miami last week, speaking to, 8,000 people at Lone Depot Stadium, the biggest lesson I learned is the more known you are, the easier life gets, man. See, I had to work to become known on that stage. Damon John, Shark Tank, was already known. Jocko Willink, Navy SEAL, already known. Alex Rodriguez, already known. I had to spend my time on stage becoming known to those people. What if I'd already walked in becoming known? What if their awareness was already heightened? What if they walked in excited and enthusiastic to hear me? So part of becoming known, this is what I'm teaching my students in Monster Producer this week, is how do you really become known? How do you become renowned? How do you become celebrated? Okay? So my big takeaway is you got to keep working at becoming known. And you become known for something, right? Can't give away the formula because you had to go through person of interest to get it, or you need to just get in Monster Producer, because that's what I'm teaching my students this week. Okay? But how do you get your product or service out there? Okay? Thank Chuck Farmer. Love Chuck Farmer. Okay? So when you think about it, how do you, if you got something that's valuable, that you spent your whole life on, that every time you get in a room with people, they value it, and that's you. That's you. Then you don't have a talent problem. Okay, I probably need to write a book on this at some point. You don't have a talent problem, you got a marketing problem. You may have a packaging problem. How do you package it up, and how do you market it to people? Because you, listen to what I'm telling you, you don't have a freaking talent problem. Well, some people do. But let's pretend you don't for a second. You really just have a marketing problem. Okay? That's really what you got to understand. And marketing is distribution of a message to an audience to solve a problem. I was thinking of something I bought the other day that I didn't even know that I needed until I saw it. And I go, you know what? I need that. You know what? I need that. You know what? I need that. See, that's marketing. Marketing comes into your life and says, man, you need this. You need this coach. This coach can help you play at a higher level. You need to be in the business growth program. You need to buy this book, Flip the Switch. You're trying to operate at a higher level. Think of marketing as converting a customer problem. Thank you, Amanda. A customer problem into an opportunity. That's all marketing is. Look up the definition of marketing. So I'm here tonight to stake the claim. This is a very important week in our journey on this book. And I know it's been exhausting. It's been exhausting for you. It's been exhausting for me. I've had moments of exhilaration and moments of pure exhaustion promoting this, and it's really made me work harder. It's got me in front of more people. It's helped generate thousands of leads. So think of it this way. You may not have found what it is that makes you unique. It took me to 41 years old to figure out the Pray Drive thing. You may not have packaged it correctly. Anything the consumer can feel, touch, taste, or see. You may not be good at marketing it like you need to, right? Converting this problem into an opportunity, or you may not have figured out how to monetize your skill set yet. You're highly talented, but you're undercapitalized. Okay, and this book will show you step by step. The 8 weeks with me will show you. The Tactical Connection Bootcamp will show you. The Monster Producer Program will show you. So I encourage you, get a copy of the book, send a kid through Success School. It'll be one of the best $26 you've ever done to send a kid through our Success School with Kelly Eisler. She'll do a great job with the kids. And it's gonna do one of the number one activators of Pray Drive for children. It's gonna expose them to a bigger future. 15 years old, I was sent to a leadership academy. I was scared to death to go. Broy Hill Leadership Academy, and it changed my life. And if you come to me today at 46 years old, I can't believe I'm 46. What the hell? And and you said to me, man, what changed your life? If I was doing a podcast with you and you said, what changed your life? I'd say 15 years old. I had a coach who taught me how to speak, Daryl Deason. I was in the Beta Club. Don't ask me how, but I got in there. And I ran for national office. I won. Part of my job was speaking around the world. And I went to the Broy Hill Leadership Academy, which was 1 week of just nothing but leadership, man. Changed my whole life. This is what Success School can do for kids. Can change their whole life by exposing them to think, talents, all these things. So instead of paying the $14.97 or whatever the cost is right now, man, all you got to do is pay $26, $30 to get the book. And then you're going to send it in to us. We're going to send it to Kelly Eisler. She's going to get the child into the Success School every single week we're coaching. That's going to expose those kids to success school. If you got kids out there, you really, really need to do this. So if you got 5 kids, man, buy 5 books, get them in there, and let's get this thing going. It's good for us. We're promoting our success school. It's good for me. It's promoting the books. Good for you because you're getting a kid in there. So it's actually 4 wins. It's a quadruple win. Okay. So Coach Burt, everybody needs a coach. Love you guys. 8 weeks starts with me on Wednesday. If you got the book, make sure you're in the book club, not your mama's book club. I'm gonna be breaking that sucker down for you. And since I wrote it, I probably know what's in it. Okay. And it will truly activate your prey drive. So God bless you. If you got questions, post them in here. Kelly@CoachBurt.com. Thanks, Mike. Just a vision I had the other day. It hit me, and that's a prey drive moment, man. Instinct. When you have an instinct, take an action. So for every book that's bought this week, you let us know. You tell us somebody that you want to get into our Success School for Kids. That's weekly coaching. Grit, resilience, remarkable boldness, connection, follow through, all the things kids need today to win, okay? For every person that buys the book this week, Amazon, Barnes & Nobles, just email support@CoachBurt.com and say I want a scholarship to kid. Love you guys. Everybody needs a coach. It's been a great day. Thank you to all the people in Miami. You guys were great to me.